Fuck you, Pisky!
Here we go. Focus, 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 focus. Speed. I am speed.
I am speed.
I am focus.
5-hour energy is focus.
Speed.
Weed.
I smoke weed for breakfast.
Hey, London! You ready?
Would you shut up? I'm trying to masturbate up here.
First blood. Double kill. Triple kill. Holy shit.
Whoa, guys, whoa.
Possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
Weed it.
One, boost ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery.
We need tires now! No tires! You need tires! No tires! You need tires!
Freaking idiot.
Checkered flag, here I go! What the hell?
No.
Horse's ass.
Delicious! Because I'm a one-man show.
That was a very cocky lightning McQueer.
Hey, get out of the shot.
Yo, Chuck, what are you doing? You're blocking the, yo. You need tires, Back away. What? We quit, Mr.
That looks like a dildo.
You're not Mac.
I'm not.
Mac? You're shooting at me!
I'm pissed.
I'm done.
The 3 victims were part of a CXS.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
I'm standing here with Fred.
I want him out of our town. I'm hereby sentencing you to slavery.
I'll clean it for you.
That won't be necessary.
Hey, agree!
What are you gonna do? Suck me to death?
Holy shit!
It looks awful.
Well, it matches the rest of the town.
If you're going left enough hard, you'll find right. Left.
Turn right to go right. No shit. Up you!
I'm dying in this fucking country-ass fucked up town.
Luigi's leaning a tower of tires.
There's one they fear. Not me, McQueer. Fire and bone. Who touched Sasha?
3 piston cups.
It's a conspiracy, man!
Piston cup.
He did what in his cup?
Piston.
100% chance of... Forecast? 100% chance of... Yes!
He did what in his cup?
Get to the chopper!
My summer, summer, my sweet summer is gone. My sweet summer is gone. Warm was the weather outside the day we met. Blue was the color of skies the day she left.